Thank you, thank you. Gidda is the folk dance of which state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Punjab, Assam. Oh, thank you. Tamil Nadu and or Kerala. Gidda is from Punjab. Gidda is Punjab. Tamil Nadu state dance is Bharatanatyam. Kerala is Kathakali, Mohiniyattam. Assam is I don't know which one. Assam. Punjab, Bhangra and Gidda is there. Yes. Bhangra and Gidda also